nigga. You won't read into this, I spell it out, nigga. Yo, I ain't spitting, I'm just breathing on this. I'm delirious, serious, nigga. I'm higher than the clouds, out of this world. I'm from Sirius B, extra special, extraterrestrial. My entry is inevitable. I was placed on the face of this earth. I was born with a curse, but I could never tell you what this curse is. I'm down to murk this. Niggas die a traditional death every single year like Christmas turkeys. I spit 616s and violent verses. I scare white women, they see me and grab purses. How many niggas sit at home and rehearse this? But I don't rehearse shit, nigga, when I still hurt it. Perfect, twisted like kicking a chick in the ribs and try and play it off like she ain't pregnant with twins. The way my mind works is backwards to the rest. I tell these bitches, you be awake while I'm getting rest. And while you're getting rest, that's when I'm calling streets to get the raw elements that I recall on beats. They try to look at me like I'm doing something wrong. Nah, all I did was write my lyrics to a future song. While I looked out my windows, kid, let my windows flick and off my windows quick. Cause when the windfall hits, yo, that's some next shit. But it's that time for that freestyle mode. Like I just walked through this teleporter node on Halo 2, 3 to 4. That's the way that I go. And if you don't know, well now you know. ECLIPSE, yeah, that's me from CT in Leeds, UK. A nigga I spit grease. You don't believe me? Check the video. Probably on Vimeo, and if it ain't, it's on YouTube. Although I want free TV, hold tight that, my nigga KC, hold tight my nigga Nathan, I'm my nigga Hardy, and nigga I'm out of here, cause I'm just way too deep, yo.